What's up everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at our SVE fuel system that is designed for Coyote swap fox body Mustangs. All right, if you're in the market for a really good fuel system and you don't want to go through the daunting headache of individually sourcing fuel system components, then I would definitely consider this SVE fuel system kit for your Coyote swap Fox Mustang project. We include everything you need for this kit, of course, with the exception of your own tools. Now, at a minimum, a Coyote swap requires a return style fuel system that generates 58 PSI of fuel pressure and does it consistently to mimic the factory returnless setup. Well, in order to accomplish this, we include a potent Aeromotive 340 liter per hour fuel pump, -6 AN supply and return hoses, and Aeromotive's heavy duty wiring harness, which allows the 340 pump to flow at the advertised rate. As far as the power number is concerned, there are several variables that can dictate the horsepower rating of a fuel system. Rest assured, this system will easily handle a full bolt-on, naturally aspirated Coyote swap running on pump gas or E85. Now, if you've been shopping around and looking at all the different options that exist when it comes to fuel systems for your Coyote swap Fox Mustang, you typically notice one thing with most of those kits. You have to cut each hose to length and then assemble all of the fittings, which takes a crap ton of time. Well, to make this kit very attractive and help you save time with your Coyote swap project, we took all of the BS out of the equation and provide pre-terminated -6 AN braided stainless hoses for both the supply and return portions of the system. This means you don't have to spend hours upon hours upon hours measuring and cutting hoses to length. We've already done the legwork for you guys. So taking a closer look at what this kit includes, there'll be a short supply hose for the fuel pump to the filter. Along with the hoses will be a host of other goodies as well. These include a complete fuel pump assembly outfitted with an Aeromotive 340 liter per hour fuel pump, a 1998 to 2004 style Mustang fuel filter bracket and associated hardware, a 2005 to 2010 style Mustang fuel filter with 3/8 inlet and outlet fittings, which matches the inner diameter of the -6 AN hose, a fuel pressure gauge, an Aeromotive return style fuel pressure regulator, our exclusive regulator bracket that uses factory mounted holes and installs behind the passenger side strut tower, hardware for the bracket, a short supply hose that connects the regulator to the fuel rail, as well as all the necessary AN fittings and fuel filter adapter fittings. This braided stainless hose is lined with PTFE, which blocks fuel odor and is compatible with E85 leaded and unleaded fuel. Now, because of the higher amperage draw from the Aeromotive 340 pump, we also include Aeromotive's specific heavy-duty wiring harness. That way you achieve the advertised flow rate for this particular fuel pump. Currently, this fuel system is designed to work with Gen 1 and Gen 2 Coyote engines that are using factory fuel rails and are being installed into a 1984 to 1993 Fox Mustang. You can either reuse your existing fuel tank and the associated components if they're still in good working condition and the tank is free of rust and debris, or use this opportunity to replace whatever it is that you may need. Finally, because of the custom nature of fuel systems and everyone's personal expectations, we do include an assortment of Adel clamps as well as a bag of zip ties to dial in the hoses underneath the car. Depending on where you position your Adel clamps will dictate what kind of retaining hardware you need, so that is the only thing that needs to be sourced by the installer. Be sure and check out our detailed installation videos for this kit, which includes the underside and the engine bay portions of the system, as well as the wiring harness video. That way you can see all of the parts in action and have a better understanding of where they go and how it all works. As always, if you have any questions, drop us a comment, or please reference the product pages for the most up-to-date information on this kit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more industry-leading solutions from SVE and turn on those notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until we see you guys in the next video, you know what to do. For all things fox body, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.